Welcome back student. In this video we are going to take care of print related option, and those options are there in the tab which is page layout. In this tab right now we are trying to understand this page setup options. Okay, so let's begin. So the first option is a margin option. Margin is the left out area from the top, bottom, left, right from each page of the documents. By default it's 1 inch. However, you may go to margin. Normal is 1 inch from top, bottom and left, right. If you are going for the net option, you can see now the print area is more, the content is more, because for the margin less area has been left. However, there are plenty of options that you may select. If you are not happy with any of these options, you may go to custom margin and you can set the margin according to your requirement. Okay, I have set the margin to normal. Now the second option into this is the orientation. Orientation are of two types. One is a portrait, which is right now. Another is a landscape mode. So right now it's portrait. If I'm going for the landscape mode, you can see the changes. I'm going for the Control P in order to show you the print preview, and in the landscape mode is going to be in the landscape mode, of course. Size is the paper size. Here plenty of paper size are there, letter A4, A3. Just for the sake of example, A3 is thrice big as compared to A4, which is generally being used. A5 is the half of A4. However, page size knowledge is not compulsory. The only aspect is whatever page size is there in your printer, you need to select the same page size from here also. If in your printer the page size is A4 and if you are selecting A3 and thinking that more content is going to be print, that's not going to be the case. So whatever in the printer, whatever page size is there, here also the similar page size need to be selected. By default it's letter most of the time. Now next option is a column option. Right now this document has been shown in a single column, or one has been selected. You can convert this into 2 column, or you can convert this into 3 column. However, whether you want the line in between or not, for this you may go to more column option. Number of columns are 3. You can see here line between if you want to give. If you don't want to give, you can simply remove this. Currently it's going to apply on whole documents. However, if you want to select one particular area, the point forward you can go for. Okay, the whole document is there. You can see the line is not coming. I'm converting this into 1 column only. Page break is, let's say after this particular point I don't want any content to be print in the page 1. So I'm setting my cursor over here, going for break and going for page break. So you can see in the first page I'm going for print preview. In the first page up till this point only the printing is happening. From next page onwards, printing area is going to be normal. Okay, the next option are the line numbers. If you are going for line numbers, go for continuous. You can see the line numbers are coming. If you want to restart it from each page, then go for restart each page. So line numbers are coming and it's restarting from each page. In order to remove this, none. Hyphenation, if you are going for automatic, then you can see here cinema, the hyphen has been created. However, I'm not suggesting this to apply. And if you want to remove it, you may go for none option. So these are all the options related to print. There are a few more options which are like watermark, page color and page borders, which we are going to understand in the further videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.